This is the USA forest. Here is the ancient snake villa. We need to repair it.
We need to figure out how to find the structural issues.
Exactly. And based on this assessment, it will take $50 million to fix this snake villa. The layout here contradicts what we're seeing on site.
Yeah.
Shine the light deeper, we need to see how far it extends. This changes the entire scope of the project.
If you like this snake villa video, please hit subscribe, but like the video and comment below for next video. Your opinion means a lot to me.
Raise me up 10 feet, watch the sparks below. Clearance is good, hold her steady right there.
While technicians are working, there will be no visitors. Once the snake villa is cleaned, then people can start visiting.
All right, lights are working. This dust is thick.
Yeah.
Let's get the vacuums running and start on that rust.
I'm almost done with the floor scrubbing. Good, I'll start bringing in the bathtub components.
Start cleaning the glass on the left while we move the pump. The water level is dropping fast. All right, the exterior is spotless. Let's move inside. We need to finalize the wiring for the living area. Absolutely spotless, right? And look at this snake scale metalwork on the exterior.
Yeah.
It's incredible craftsmanship. Let's go to the broken kitchen.
Make sure that's level before I secure it.
It looks good, right on the mark.
All right, let's get these ferns placed by the seating area.
Perfect. I'll finish weaving the vines around the columns. It's looking much better.
Look at how it curves. This snake villa design is complex.
The placement needs to be perfect right there in the curve.
I agree completely. As you can see, the structure integrates seamlessly with the environment.
Yeah.
It's absolutely breathtaking. How did they manage the curvature? The scale detail is incredible. The Serpentine retreat is beautiful. We really appreciate the technicians' hard work.
It's amazing. This ancient villa was once so messy and abandoned in the forest.